Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer Stellar from Bitmart to Binance in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your portfolio or just switch exchanges, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. It's super important to stay updated with the latest features, especially since crypto platforms evolve quickly. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Bitmart and Binance, and that you know your Stellar wallet address on Binance. This is crucial to avoid any mix-ups. Alright, let's jump in. Step 1. Log into your Bitmart account. Head over to the dashboard and navigate to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Find your Stellar XLM balance there. Next, click on the Withdraw option for Stellar. You'll need to enter the withdrawal details, including the amount you want to transfer and the destination address, which is your Binance Stellar deposit address. Double-check this address to prevent any losses. Crypto transfers are irreversible. Now, for security, Bitmart might require two-factor authentication, 2FA. Make sure it's enabled on your account. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal, Bitmart will process it, which usually takes a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on the transaction status. On the Binance side, log into your account and go to your wallet. You should see the Stellar deposit incoming. Once it reflects, you're good to go. A quick tip. Always check the current network fees and minimum withdrawal amounts on both platforms to avoid surprises. In 2025, with blockchain tech advancing, transfers might be even faster, but fees could vary. Finally, after the transfer, verify your balances on both exchanges to ensure everything's correct. And remember, crypto can be volatile, so handle your assets with care. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.